Welcome student. I am Dr. Bharat Gada, Assistant Professor, Department of Geography, KRT Art, BH Commerce and AM Science, popularly known as KTHM College. Student friends, I warmly welcome you to today's class. We are talking about GGUT 251 Research Methodology, Semester 4, Paper number 3, and now the topic means Introduction to Research Methodology. Now today we are going to learn this topic from characteristics of research. Student, last lecture will be discussed which are the objective of the research, how to prepare the objective of research, and which is the characteristics of the objective of research, what is meant by objective. These are the discussion with the last lecture. Now the student will be discussed today's lecture the characteristics of research. What is the characteristics of a good research is very important here. Now today will be discussed characteristics of research. Now go to the one by one characteristics of research. Now student, this is the topic number 1. Name of the topic is Introduction to Research Methodology. In this topic, maybe cover meaning and objective of research we will already discuss. Now second point is characteristics of research where we discussed now today. Now next lecture we will discuss types of research and then various steps of research process. Now last point is research methodology versus methodology. This is the topic number 1. We will cover all the 5 points. We will cover on one by one. Now today's topic is characteristics of research. Now student, this is characteristics of research. First of all, the characteristics of research very important here. First of all, the empirical. Empirical means the base on observation and experimentation of the theories. Very important here. Empirical means based on observation. This is the empirical means this base. This is character. First of all, the characteristics of base. Base is observation and experimentation of the theories. This is the first one. First of characteristics of empirical. Second one, systematic. It is the systematic. Systematics follow the orderly and sequential procedure. This is the systematic character. This is another one more characteristics of research. First one is empirical. Second one is systematic. What is the control? Control is another characteristics of the research. Control all variable except those that are the tested, experimented upon the kept constant. It is a control, systematic, empirical. This is the third characteristics of research. Now fourth characteristics of hypothesis. Guide the investigation of process. This is very important here. There is a hypothesis. Hypothesis guide the investigation of process. This is the characteristics of research, mainly empirical, systematic, control and hypothesis. Now next characteristics of research is analytical. These are the critical analysis of the data used so that there is no error in their interpretations. This is the another characteristics analytical. This is a critical analysis of all the data used so that there is no error in their interpretation. These are the characteristics. Now next one is objective, unbiased or and logical. All findings are logically based on empiricals. Very important here. Objective, unbiased and logical. All findings are logically based on empirical. Means this is a very important characteristics of research. First one is empirical. Second one is systematic, control, hypothesis, analytical. These are the some characteristics of the good research. Yeah, characteristics of research. Now next one is quantitative of quantitative or statistical method. Data are transferred into the numerical measure and are treated as statistically. Quantitative of statistical method, data are transferred into the numerical measures and treated as statistically. Very important here, quantitative data and statistical method may be used and data to transfer the numerical measure and treated as statistically. Now next one is characteristics of good research. Very important, good research follow the systematic approach to capture accurate data. Very important, the characteristics of good research is the first one is the follow the systematic approach. When we follow the systematic, good research is a very good. First one, the characteristics of the good research is the follow systematic approach and they capture the accurate. First of all, they take accurate data and for systematic approach. Now researcher need to the practice ethics and a code of conduct while making observation and drawing the conclusions. Very important here to the practicalities, code of conduct while making the observation and drawing the conclusion. The next one is the analysis is based on logical reasoning and involve the both inductive and deductive methods. Analysis is based on logical reasoning means very important here. Why here? Why? How? This is a logical thinking very important here. Means analysis of the base, analysis first of all the analysis of the base. Why here increase? Why here decrease? Why here more? Why here less? This is important. Means this suppose the for example a density for population density in the overall country. Why here less density? Why here more density? Higher decrease the population growth rate, higher increase the population growth rate. What is the reasons? Very important here. Why is the reasoning for based on analysis data? Now and involve both are inductive and deductive methods. This is important here. Those are the inductive as well as the inductive method may be used to the logical reasoning of the researcher. Now real-time data and knowledge is derived means real-time data and knowledge is derived from the actual observation in natural settings means knowledge is derived from the actual observation in natural setting. There is an in-depth analysis very important here. There is in-depth analysis of all data collected so that there are no anomalies associated with us. This is this is in an depth analysis of all data collected so that there is no anomalies associated with. Now it is a create a path for generating new questions. Very important here to create a new path for any new questions to the characteristics of my first number. These are good characteristics of research to create the path of generating new questions. Exit data help to create more research opportunity. Now exit those data help to create new more opportunity to research problem we will prepare. Now it is analysis and use all the available data so that there is no ambiguity in the interference. Very important the characteristics of research. Very important here. It is analytical and use of the available data so that there is no ambiguity in inference. Now next to it, accuracy is one of the most important here. Accuracy is the most important critical aspect of research. Accuracy is very important here. Those are the data analysis and their answer is accuracy. Now critical aspect of the research. Now the more the information must be accurate and correct means those data collection, those data we collected with must be very important and accurate. For example, laboratory provide control environment to collect data. Now accuracy is measure for is the instrument use means accuracy is used. It is the measure instrument measure use. It is the calibration and the instrumentation and tool and the experiment of final results means this is accuracy is very important. The good research means it is the characteristics of good research. For the characteristics of good research means accuracy is measure the instrument use, the calibration of instrument or tool and the experiment of final result. These are the some good characteristics of the research. Now next one is characteristic keeping in mind. Those research are very important to keeping in mind research in a field. Many research in a field for geography as well as no social sciences and chemistry, soil science, life science, any other sciences. Inquiry is undertaken to the provide information. Inquiry is undertaken to provide information to support decision making. Very important to support decision making. It is respective area. We are the summarizing some desirable characteristics of research. Very important here to keeping in this mind research in any field inquiry is undertaken to provide information to support decision making. It is a respective area. When in a respective area we will summarize all the desirable characteristics of the research. Now this is the show this is the research show focus on priority of problems. Next one is the research should be the systematic. Very important here the research should be the systematic. Now it is emphasized that is a researcher should employ as a structured procedure. Now the research should be a logical. Very important here research should be logical without any manipulating ideas logically. very important. Research should be logical. Research should be logical without any manipulating ideas. Very important here. Any ideas will be manipulated. Means very important logical. Then the scientific researchers cannot be make progress of any investigation. Cannot make much progress in the any investigation. Means the research should be logical without any manipulating idea of logically. Then scientific researchers cannot make much progress in any investigation. The research should be there redactive. Redactive very important here. Research should be the redactive. First of all, already discussed here. Now, then this means that the finding of one researcher should be made available to other researchers to prevent them from repeating the same research. This means that is the finding of the one researcher should be made available to the other researcher to prevent them from repeating the same research. Very important to research and should be redactive. This is the characteristics. Now, next one is the research should be the replicable. Research should be replicable. Means replicable is very important. Means application type should be researcher is application. Replicable means those are the suppose this area will be reflect then replication means this assert that there should be scope of and confirm find of previous research in a new environment and different setting with the new groups of subject or at a different point in times. Very important here. It is important to confirm the find of previous research in a new environment and different setting with a new group of subject or at a different point of time. Now, research should be is a generative. This is one of the valuable characteristics of research because answering the one question leading to generating many other new questions means very important here. Research should be the generative. Now, generative, this is one of the most important, one of the valuable characteristics of research because answering the one question lead to generating many other new questions. Now, this research should be the action oriented. Very important here, the research should be action oriented. Other words, it should be aims at reaching a solution leading to the implementation of its finding. The research should follow the integrated multidisciplinary approach. Very important here. The research should be follow the integrated multidisciplinary approach. Research approach from more than one discipline are needed. One more than needed. Important here. Research should be the participatory. Important. It is another characteristics. First of all is the action oriented. Second one is multidisciplinary approach. The research should be the participatory, involving the all parties concerned from the policymaker down to committee members. Means all the some participatory inversion. Means common people to higher government policy. These are the all from the policymaker down to the community members. Means all the members will be including in the involving the all the parties concerned the priority. Means research should be the participatory. All the stages of the study. Now this is a research. Research must be relatively simple, timely and time bound. Very important here, the research must be relatively simple. Research, this is simple, timely and time bound, employing and comparatively simple designs. Very important here, research should be relatively simple, timely and time bounding, employing a comparatively simple design of it is a good characteristics of the research. Now, research must be as much cost effective as possible. Which is the research must be as cost effective as possible to the any characteristics of research. Now the result of the research should be the presented in format most useful for administrators, decision makers, business managers or the community members. Means these characteristics very important. Means those research means those useful data these are the should be presented. Means those result are acquired. Those result will become of researchers should be presented in different format like as the data format, that is as graph format and as a diagram format. Means useful for any administrator, any decision maker, any policy maker, any business manager, any committee call, so common people as a committee member. Means this is one of the characteristics of research. Means here all these things very important to the characteristics of very important. Research should be replicable, research should be generative, research should be action oriented, research should be integrated multidisciplinary approach, research should be the participatory environment, research should be relative simple, timely, time bounded, employing, and research should be must cost effective as possible. Research of the research should be presented in format most useful for administrator, decision maker, business manager, and committee member. This is the some good characteristics of researchers, very important here. Now student will be today's topic with different characteristics of researchers, very important here. Now student will be discuss of good characteristics of research. Now student, any doubt?